boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, Ollie. Yes, we had him before many times. You can check out his playlist, our portfolio here on Gruvgear Guitar, like 20 songs or plus. And we're gonna add to that portfolio now with this song, To Your Bones, okay? And we're gonna have some chords that goes the same with the entire song, and that will be it. If you like songs to have a full playthrough, then go and check out my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Why? Because you have a song played from A to Z there with chords, and you can just follow, play along, and learn the song. And yeah. So a good choice is to go and visit my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now let's focus on this one. We have capo set on third position, absolute best scenario for us, easy 4 chords. Let's start with those. We're gonna start with C first. So that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be the E minor. And that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have G next. So that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And finally, we have the D add 4, and that is exactly the same grip as C, but you have the disposition. And you play fifth A, fourth D, open G, and third B. So you try to avoid both E strings here for this specific chord. So there you have the chord progression: C, E minor, G, and the D add. And we're gonna play 2 different strumming patterns if you wish. One is just the playing, and the second one is yeah, we'll have some clap going on there. Basically, we're gonna have that rhythm. Let's play the first one. If you grab the first chord C, we have down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So you have down, up, a short little pause, and then up, down, up. You're going to play one of these per chord in the same order we learned them. So C1, E minor 1, G1, D1, like this. Okay, so when it comes to the last chord D, try to stay in the middle when it comes to your strumming hand, in the middle of the strings. And if you would have to choose to go one way or the other, I would prefer to play on the higher strings more than the lower string, okay? So really avoid that E string, the bass. I would not kill myself if I hit that high E string, but the bass is not good here for the song. So that is one way to play it. Now the second one is very like the same pretty much, but instead of just having a pause, you will push in a clap there in between, okay? So it's down, up, clap, up, down, up. So and that is how it goes, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that. 4 chords, a simple strumming pattern from the beginning till the very end. That's it. Always to your bones. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Till next time, play tuned.